Welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can delete messages on Instagram. Before guiding you through these tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so to get notified of the further uploads on this channel. Without any further ado, let's get started on this video. Firstly, you need to open up Instagram and make sure you have signed in into the Instagram. And on top of the screen, you can see the message icon on top right. Simply tap on that and you can select any chat you want to delete the messages of. Simply tap on that, and suppose I have sent a message here. Simply you need to tap and hold that and tap on unsend. This will unsend the messages on the both sides of this conversation. In this way you can unsend or delete messages on Instagram. If you want to delete whole conversation, then simply you can hold any conversation you want to delete and simply tap on delete, and you need to tap on delete. Then you will see that the whole conversation and the messages that you have done with this user will be deleted on Instagram. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.